Well, teachers were out in force in court today as the battle over Kentucky's new pension law continues. The Attorney General once again taking on the governor's legal team, trying to prove that both the law and the way it was passed is illegal. LEX 18's Carolina Buchek has more from Frankfort.
Decked out in red, teachers once again showed up to protest Kentucky's pension law. But this time, it was at the courthouse.
We're mad, we're fuzzed up over it, and we're going to see this thing all the way through.
They cheered as Attorney General Andy Beshear arrived at the courthouse, and inside, they made it obvious when they disagreed with Bevin's legal team. In the hearing, it became clear Beshear is trying to prove two things. He says Senate Bill 151 itself is illegal because it violates the inviolable contract, and the way it was passed is also illegal. To prove that, he says the bill never received the 51 votes needed to pass a bill, and it was never read 3 times, which is a requirement.
Well, the legislature may be able to interpret its own rules, but not the Constitution that forms the bedrock of Kentucky law. If the Constitution says you have to read something 3 times on 3 separate days, that's what you have to do.
Bevin's legal team disagrees.
All these meetings and committee hearings on 151 in the last 3 days were posted. People were there, the media were there, representatives of the KEA were there. There's just no substance to the argument that it was done in the dead of night with nobody knowing it.
The judge says he hopes to have a ruling on the case soon, but he warned this may have to go to the state Supreme Court. Covering the news in Frankfort, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.